stepping forward, rooted in truth, and led by spirit. It's a new dawn. It's a new day. It's a new life. And I'm feeling good. Grand rising, pillar of light. The leaders are awakening in the stillness this rising. Today opens like a sacred book, and we, beloveds, are both the author and the scribe. Before the duties begin, before the messages flood in, before the world calls us into motion, yet again, we pause. Let your soul catch up with your breath. There is some quiet energy going on here. This morning, this rising, if you are not in mourning, is not about rushing to do. It's about remembering how far you've come and realigning with why you came. You're not just here to survive. You're here to lead, not by force or with force either. Not by status or financial abundance, but by integrity. Some of the collective seems to still be a bit confused. Some of us rise in our stillness, speaking with gratitude aloud. I thank this breath. I thank this day. I thank the source light that walks with me. We are no longer shielding ourselves of fear. But for functionality, to let some others know their access has been, is still, and will always be denied. And before our feet hit the floor, we acknowledge and give reverence and show gratitude to Holy Spirit. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Out of clarity, only may enter this field today, not out of judgment, but out of discernment, that there are some who do not have the best intentions for us. Their ego may want to try to prove something, fix something, fall into old defense patterns, or worse. This is when their identities want to flare up, or they're trying to identify us with an old identity, or even better, one of their identities. But we are not a reaction. We are a response. We are the eye in the storm, the pulse of presence. In the midday, as the sun rises to its peak, so does the pressure. And if you couldn't tell about that bit of a sniffle, so does the sinus pressure. Oh, goodness. Going into the midday hours, calling for discernment. Yes, discernment, not distraction. If you feel triggered, pause before speaking, but let your leadership be felt, not forced. The midday today will mirror our strength, our soft and sovereign boundaries. Be known. Our words build bridges, not barriers. We build peace, not prisons. And we don't have to be perfect, just authentic. That is how we lead in the true world, in the new earth. And remember, leadership is also laughter. Soften your jaw. Exhale the tension. Even now, joy is our right, and peace of mind is top priority. Highly protected. We're integrating a new mastery, beloveds, going into the evening. And when I say beloveds, user name. Allow me to remind you yet again, it is not a scam. We've already spoken on charlatans and real encounters. This is not the day for that. But we thank them for showing us how not to act, or how to not act, or behave, or be present. Reflecting without judgment, we led with light today. As the sky darkens, so too must our mind begin to soften. We showed up even when it was hard. We remembered our whys. Now return to your inner fire and tend to it. Reflecting, yes, without judgment. Did you listen more deeply today? Did you choose love over defense? Even once, that is enough. And those other times, those we decided do not have access to us. It's all part of that healing checklist. So when we deny their access, it is not out of harm or to hurt their precious little feelings. It is out of healing, and it's a spiral. Proof we're alive and evolving. Let the evening be your sanctuary. Let silence hold you. Let spirit speak through dreams tonight, and through us by day. One, 3, 3, 1 on the timer. Holy Spirit says we don't want them to go without or go hungry. We just don't accept them at our table any longer. May they be blessed. Somewhere else. Unless by being blessed, it means destruction to them, to destroy another person, place, thing, or situation, leading with noise, and a lot of it, loud, boisterous noise, to rule with pride, dominion, domineering, demands. We walk with the ancestors and angels at our side. Our power is peace. Our presence is a flame. We carry no titles, yet the stars know our name. So when they ask how we shined without a crown, without being loud and destructive, we'll smile and say, I remembered who I was. I laid my burdens down. I walked when it hurt. I led from the core. And I kept rising because I knew I was made for more. Sounds like a song I wrote. Ooh, perhaps it is. To the future we go, not to escape, but to build. Because the future is the now. With truth in our bones, with the prophecy fulfilled, not to be mistaken for self-fulfilled, but spirit fulfilled. We are the quiet leaders, the light bringers, the dawn. And we are just getting started. Let me say that a little louder. For those in the back. We are just getting started. Thank you so very much. Multiversal Soul Familia, for tuning in. Be on the lookout for yet another exclusive to Saturday's midday update. With much gratitude and appreciation. Brightest of blessings.
In the dance of days so swift and wild, she stands graceful, strong in style, a woman fierce with heart flame, raising a star while playing the game. She works with hands that never tire, fueled by quiet, steadfast fire. A lady with laughter in her stride, and fashion's flair she wears with pride. Through every storm she finds her beat, turns trials into something sweet. Her spirit sings in vibrant hue, a tapestry so bold and true. She lifts with love, she shines with heat. In every room her fire is lit, and those who know her feel the glow of a soul that helps the gardens grow. Divine feminine, strong and bright, a guiding moon in deepest night. With style, with strength and fun so free, a wonder, a friend, a dancing galaxy. Through every storm she finds her beat, turns trials into something sweet. Her spirit sings in vibrant hue, a tapestry so bold and true. She lifts with love, she shines with it. In every room her fire is lit, And those who know her feel the glow of a soul that helps the gardens grow. Divine feminine, strong and bright, a guiding moon in deepest night. A star with strength and fun so free, a wonder of friend, a dancing galaxy.